For inserting any chart, for example, you want to present one bar chart. What you need to do, first of all, select the chart, then go to insert tab and select the chart as per your requirement. Here we are taking bar chart. Bar chart we are taking, setting chart, select the chart data and go to insert. After that, go the chart group. Go to the chart groups and you may select as per your requirement. Here bar chart is well used, that's why. And at a glance, if you want to see, then in this arrow you can click and then you can see all charts. And here as per your requirement, pie chart, bar chart, all are available. Bar chart is also available in this way. Horizontal bar chart, this is as per your wish. Are you getting my point?
Okay, yes.
Yes. So here we are taking column chart, and column chart because it is well used, and pie chart, bar chart, these are well used. Commonly we can use it to represent the data. So you can select it, and then you can go there, and as per your wish, you can format the chart. To format the chart, what you need to do, right click on the chart and go to format chart area. Yes, you can format as per you. For example, you want to give color, or you want to use transparency, decrease transparency, or increase, whatever you can do. This is, but mostly we can use it. Means what we need to do here, you randomly we are taking one example. This is one chart design. Okay, this is template. We are directly we are selecting. This one we are selecting. Here, data level is available. Previously, it was not available. For adding data level, what you need to do? Data level means what? With standalone bars, data of the particular information, data will be shown with the bar. So okay. Now, for example, we want to add data level. Data level means what? By observing this bar, it is very difficult to understand what is the value actually indicating by this bar. That's why one option is available to add data level. What we need to do, right click, ensure that all bars are selected, and right click on that and go to the data level. Then select data levels. See the information has added with the bars. Same as we can add data level for another set of bar, another legends, that is cells. At the time, what we need to do, right click on the bar to add data level, go to add data level and go to data levels. Now you want to place, now want to place the data levels in different way. What you need to do, for example, we are selecting the cells area, cells data level, and go to right click on right click, then go to format data levels and select that level position. If you want to place this center, inside end, inside base, outside, as per your wish, it will be placed. Now, for example, you want to give one particular loop with data, present the data level with shape. Then what you need to do, right click on the data levels after selecting, then go to change data level shape, and here select one. Same as others, select others and ensure that all are selected, and right click and go to change data level and select shape. Same time, a lot of charts are there. You can change chart. For example, you are trying to change the chart type. Then what you need to do, select the chart and go to format. Go to chart design and change chart type. Change chart type. Select here, and for example, you are trying to change it into horizontal. Select bar, and you can select from here this one, whatever. We are selecting this and see. Okay, these are multiple. As per your wish, you can select, and in case of design, you may select from here. A lot of designs are there. You may select by default. Okay, axis. This is called axis. If you want to change the axis, what you need to do? I am just closing this to show you. Right click on it and format axis. From format axis, what we need to do here, see the chart scale we can customize. For example, here 0 to 25,000, minimum is 0 and 25,000 is maximum. For example, you are trying to put here not 1000, we want to put it, for example, directly 50,000. And also, we don't want to put the numbers in this way. We want to use the number in thousands, in thousand. See, but if you want to give in millions, then what? As means without showing entire number, it will be with unit. If you want to attach some of the information with table, then what you want to do? You need to go check quick layout. From quick layout, you can select this tabular form. Here, see, with chart, beneath of the chart bars, the tabular form of the data has come. So here it will be shown on your chart here. And now, for example, you want to give one chart title. These are chart title you can manually write, and other some of the information you can add. Chart title, data label, and error bar, or this is not applicable at this time. Legend. What is legend? Legend, actually this is called legend. Sorry, just a minute. Legend means actually bar colors will be shown. This one means bar color blue is indicating cell. This is legend. Actually, what, for example, here different bar is available. For example, here another one column we are inserting. Here target. Okay, your query was what? How we can insert one column? Yes. In this way, what you need to do, on the top of the table where you want to insert, just before that you have, for example, before cells you want to insert one column. So right click on that. After that, click left side. So it has been added. And shortcut of it, Ctrl Z, just select here and Ctrl plus. For adding seed column, you have to press Ctrl plus. For example, here we are giving target. For example, here target was 12,000. Here it was, see the changes, 20,000, and here. So here see, legends, two legends has been updated. Sorry, another one, that is target, was not available previously, but it has been added. How? Because we have given one extra column, and that's why two things are being side by side. These two have been presented so that we can compare what is the target level and what is the achievement. So here we are getting that what is the, without showing the number, charts are indicating your achievement and or key result area, whatever. So in this way we can add, and if you want to resize any chart information or data, you can select data from here also. For here target, for example, we are removing this. Target column has been removed. In this way, if there is any column but not selected by default, then we can add it from select data, this portion, from this portion. This is chart data range. From here we can select that chart data range is available. Within that, two legends are available. Here we can select both, then see 2. And another one thing, elements we can add. Elements means we can add chart title. Chart title, how it will be placed here. Just a minute. Above chart. Here above chart we can take it, and here chart title can be added. Okay. After that, from here layout we have already covered, and here if you want to add filter, chart filter, then also here you can select any. For example, you want to hide target area, and here, for example, here you want to hide, for example, target. Sorry, series. Sorry, this two will be placed. For example, Mr. X. See, when you are going there, only Mr. X is showing. Sorry, just a minute. Oh, sorry, apply. Here apply option is available. There. Here press. Only see. Data of Mr. Z is available. Same as, for example, you are selecting all, and only you want to see the cells of all persons. Then go to apply. See, only cell value is available there.